Bait casting reels are a cornerstone of modern finesse and power fishing, offering precise casting control, strong drag systems, and compact profiles that suit both lightline work and heavy cover. In this comparison, I evaluated 5 reels across a price spectrum from entry-level to premium to illustrate how material choices, braking systems. List number 1. Abu Garcia Max Pro Low Profile Bait Cast Fishing Reel. The Abu Garcia Max Pro Low Profile builds on the Max LP lineage with a compact graphite body, 8+1 stainless steel bearings, and MagTrax braking for precise cast control. It delivers a 7.5 to 1 gear ratio and a respectable 31 inches per turn retrieval, paired with a 20-pound max drag via the carbon matrix drag system. The handle is oversized with co-molded knobs, and the 90mm aluminum handle provides steady leverage for pulling bigger fish, while the Duragear brass gears emphasize longevity. This reel positions itself as a versatile mid to high-end option that balances weight, durability, and braking precision in a left-handed configuration. Performance-wise, the Max Pro's MagTrax brake system allows fine-tuning across a range of casting scenarios, from light lures to heavier jigs, with a robust gear train that supports durability in braided line usage as indicated by its braid-capable specifications. The 20-pound drag is ample for bass and similar species, and the reel's weight distribution, lightweight graphite with a heavier, stronger gear train, helps maintain balance in longer casting sessions. In practice, the Max Pro shines in windy conditions or scenarios requiring accurate, controlled casts, while the left-hand orientation may favor certain anglers depending on rod setup. Maintenance involves cleaning the bearings and ensuring the Duragear brass gears are free of grit to preserve. List number 2. KastKing Spartacus 2 Bait Casting Fishing Reel. Spartacus 2 redefines KastKing's ultralight approach with a razor-thin 39mm profile and an overall weight around 6 ounces. It features 5-button magnetic braking, a single advanced brake system, a robust 17.6-pound carbon fiber drag, and a 7.2 to 1 gear ratio. The reel uses a combination of aluminum main gear and CNC anodized spool to deliver smooth casting and quick line retrieval with 8 corrosion-resistant bearings and a compact palm-friendly design. Its ambidextrous or right-handed options make it versatile for a variety of setups, and the carbon fiber drag is a standout for a sub-$40 reel. In practice, Spartacus 2's magnetic braking and control line guide minimize bird nest risk while providing consistent stopping power. The lightweight construction translates to less fatigue during long sessions, and the 65-590 line capacity suggests it's well suited for longer casts with lighter lines. Users will notice its low-profile feel and crisp retrieves, though some may identify a sweeter spot in the brake calibration for heavier lures. The reel's value proposition is compelling for anglers seeking a reliable, feature-rich, budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance. List number 3. Abu Garcia Max X Low Profile Bait Cast Fishing Reel. The Max X Low Profile emphasizes lightweight graphite frame with machined aluminum spool, offering a 6.4 to 1 gear ratio and 25 inches per crank. It features Duragear brass gears, MagTrax braking, and a 15-pound maximum drag with a 4+1 bearing configuration. The left-hand design includes a compact bent handle and ergonomic PVC knobs, focusing on comfort and reliability for all-day fishing sessions across various techniques. Performance-wise, the Max X aims for a balanced feel with solid drag and smooth operation in a compact package. The MagTrax brake system ensures consistent braking pressure, which helps with accurate casts in a range of environments. The 6.4 to 1 ratio favors slower retrieves, making it suitable for larger jigs or cranks where control and line management matter. While not the lightest option in the field, the Max X's price-to-feature ratio makes it appealing for anglers seeking a durable, easy-to-use reel with proven Abu Garcia lineage.
List number 4. KastKing Spartacus 2 Bait Casting Fishing Reel. This is the same Spartacus 2 model as Product 2, emphasizing the same ultralight design, 7.2-to-1 ratio, 17.6-pound carbon fiber drag, in 6-ounce weight with a 39mm palm-friendly profile. It appears as a duplicate entry in the provided data, reinforcing Spartacus II's position as a standout choice for budget-conscious anglers seeking high value and performance. In practice, the Spartacus II continues to deliver strong performance for long casts and precise line control, with the added robustness of corrosion-resistant bearings. The dual notes of affordability and capability make it an attractive option for beginners moving toward more serious gear, as well as experienced anglers who want a spare lightweight option for specific techniques. If you already own Spartacus I or similar Cast King products, the II variant remains a logical upgrade in weight and braking efficiency.
List number 5. Cast King Centron Light Baitcasting Fishing Reel, lightweight. Centron Light targets the budget-conscious angler with a glass fiber-infused nylon frame, 7.6-ounce weight, 5+1 bearing arrangement, and a 7.1-to-1 gear ratio. It uses a 10-magnet braking system with external adjustment, CNC anodized aluminum spool, and braided or monofilament line capacity figures that emphasize a long casting distance for lighter lines. The compact design and low weight make it easy to handle during all-day outings. Performance-wise, Centron Light provides smooth operation thanks to its 5 double-shielded stainless steel bearings and anti-reverse bearing. The external magnetic braking helps users dial in casts, while the aluminum spool ensures durability for braided lines. The drag is not explicitly stated beyond the maximum line drag rating, but the 6.99 kilograms, approximately 15.4 pounds, maximum drag indicates it's suitable for light to mid-range angling, especially where distance is prioritized over heavy lure leverage. Maintenance involves regular cleaning and ensuring the magnetic brakes remain free of debris to maintain consistent performance.